Hello students, today you will learn lesson 9 of English standard 10. Madam rides the bus. This is a lesson of a small girl, of village. She every day stood nearby her door and saw bus traveling to nearby town and come back in the village. She had never traveled by bus. So every day she watched the bus and then a wish grew in her mind that I want to travel by bus. What can be seen through window from the bus? And then one day she collected money and traveled by bus to nearby town and came back. How was her experience? Let us see. It is sensitive story and the conductor of the bus was jolly person, humorous. So you will enjoy this story. There was a girl named Vali Mai who was called Vali for short. Actual real name was Vali Mai, but she was told Vali for short. She was 8 years old and very curious about things. Generally, children are very curious. They ask many questions. Her favorite pastime was standing in the front doorway of her house. Pastime means hobby. Her favorite pastime was standing at the door, watching what was happening in the street outside, and watch outside the street. There were no playmates of her own age on her street. She had no friends of same age in the street, and this was about all she had to do. She had only this one activity, to watch the passengers and the people on the road. But for Vali, standing at the front door was every bit as enjoyable as any of the elaborate games other children played. But for Vali, it was enjoying. As other children play games, same way Vali enjoyed standing at the door and looking at the road. Watching the street gave her many new unusual experiences. She saw many things. She noticed many things. Here is the picture. Vali standing at the door and seeing at the street. Now, the most fascinating thing of all was the bus that traveled between her village and the nearest town. Most fascinating, attractive for Vali was the bus which traveled between her village and the nearest town. It passed through her street each hour. Every hour bus passed through her street, once going to town and once coming back. The sight of the bus filled each time with new set of passengers was a source of unending joy for Vali. Vali liked bus and passengers very much. It gave her unending joy. Day after day, she watched the bus, and gradually a tiny wish crept into her head and grew there. Gradually means slowly, tiny wish crept into, creep, like serpent or snake, raised in her mind. A wish, grew in her mind to travel by bus. She wanted to ride on that bus, even if just once. She decided for only once I will travel by bus. This wish became stronger and stronger until it was an overwhelming desire. Overwhelming desire means then she could not control herself from fulfilling desire. Vali would stare wistfully at the people who got on or off the bus. Wistfully means longingly. She wanted to travel by bus, so when passengers get in or get off, she watched them wistfully. If I am the passenger, it will be very good. I would be lucky, she thought. when the people who got on or off the bus when it stopped at the street corner, their faces would kindle in her longings. Kindle, मतलब to set fire, to ignite. Passengers' faces would kindle in her longings. वो पैसेंजर के फेस उसके लॉन्गिंग को, उसकी विश को किंडल करते थे, फायर करते थे. Longings, dream and hope. If one of her friend happened to ride the bus and tried to describe the sight of the town to her, Wali would be too jealous to listen and would shout in English, proud, proud. If any her friend, traveled by bus and described the journey, then Wali became jealous and loudly spoke in English, proud, proud. That means disapproval. Neither she nor her friends really understood the meaning of the word. Because in villages, children didn't study in English medium, so they didn't understand the word, but they use it often as a slang expression of disapproval. Slang expression means informal, not formal language. It was informal language for disapproval. Over many days and months, Wali listened carefully to the conversations between her neighbors and people. For many days, Wali carefully listened the conversation of her friends, neighbors, who regularly used the bus, who traveled by bus regularly. And she also asked a few discreet questions. Discreet questions means careful questions. She also collected information by asking discreet questions here and there about bus. This way she picked up various small details about the bus journey. She collected enough information. The town was 6 miles away from her village. The fare was 30 paise one way, which is almost nothing at all. It was not big amount. She heard one well-dressed man say, but to Wali, who scarcely saw that much money from one month to the next, it seemed a fortune. For Wali, a well-dressed man every day traveled by bus, but it seemed a fortune for Wali. The trip to the town took 45 minutes. This all information Wali had collected. 45 minutes की trip है. On reaching town, if she stayed in her seat and paid another 30 paise, she would return home on the same bus. This meant that she could take her 1 o'clock afternoon bus. Then she decided the time that at 1 o'clock afternoon she can ride on bus. This meant that she could take 1 o'clock afternoon bus, reach the town at 1:45 and be back home by about 2:45. So during afternoon time, her parents or anybody in the street will not notice her absence. She decided to go alone. Without taking permission of parents or anybody else. On and on went her thoughts as she calculated and recalculated, planned and replanned. Wali many times thought this plan. Then next page. Well, one fine spring day, the afternoon bus was just on the point of leaving the village. One fine day in the spring season, afternoon bus was going and turning into the main highway when a small voice was heard shouting, "Stop the bus! Stop the bus!" And a tiny hand was raised commandingly. Wali had raised her hand and spoke loudly, commandingly, "Stop the bus!" The bus slowed down to a crawl. Slowly, bus stopped and the conductor sticking his head out of the door said, "Hurry then, tell whoever it is to come quickly. Hurry up, and whoever is coming, tell them to come quickly." "It's me," shouted Wali. "I am the one who has to go get on." मैं ही हूँ, ओके, एंड मुझे ही बस में चढ़ना है. By now the bus had come to a stop and the conductor said, "Oh, really? You don't say so." Conductor was humorous person, jolly person. He said, "Oh, really? You don't say so." "Yes, I simply have to go to town," said Wali. मुझे nearby town, next town पे जाना है. Still standing outside the bus, Wali was still standing outside the bus. "And here is my money." She showed her money, 30 paise. She showed him some coins. Okay, but first you must get on the bus," conductor said. "पहले बस में तो चढ़ो," said the conductor, and he stretched out a hand to help her up. Conductor stretched out his hand, हाथ लंबा किया, to help Wali to climb the bus. "Never mind," she said, "I can get on myself." "I can get on by myself," Wali said. मैं अपने आप आ जाऊंगी बस में. "You don't have to help me." मुझे हेल्प करने की जरूरत नहीं है, Wali said. The conductor was a jolly sort, fond of joking. "Oh, please don't be angry with me," conductor mockingly, sarcastically said to Wali. "Don't be angry with me, my fine madam," he said. "Here, have a seat right up there in front." यहाँ पे आप take your seat, right in the front. "Everybody move aside, please. Make way for madam," conductor spoke loudly in the bus. "Everybody move aside, please. Make way for madam." मैडम आ रहे हैं, उसको जगह दो. It was the slack time of the day. That means less passenger travel by bus in the afternoon. It was the slack time of the day and there were only 6 or 7 passengers on the bus. They were all looking at Wali and laughing with the conductor. They look at Wali and laugh with conductor. Wali was overcome with shyness. Wali शर्मा गई. Avoiding everyone's eyes, she walked quickly to an empty seat and sat down. She found her seat nearby window and sat down. Next page. "May we start now, madam?" the conductor asked. Conductor was enjoying company of little girl. उसने पूछा, "May we start?" Smiling. Then he blew his whistle twice and the bus moved forward with a roar. आवाज करती हुई बस आगे निकली. It was a new bus. Its outside painted a gleaming white with some green strips. The color of the bus was white with green strips along the sides. Inside the overhead bars shone like silver. Inside overhead bar, बीच में जो to hold the bar, बीच में जो रोड होता है, when standing passengers, they hold it for the balance. तो overhead bar shone like silver directly in front of Wali. Above the windshield there was a beautiful clock. विंडशील्ड के ऊपर, ड्राइवर के ग्लास के ऊपर एक ब्यूटीफुल क्लॉक थी. द सीट्स वेर सॉफ्ट एंड लग्जरियस. वाली डिवोर एवरीथिंग विथ हर आइज. डिवोर मीन्स सपोज एज इफ वाली वॉज ईटिंग एवरीथिंग विथ हर आइज. बट वेन शी स्टार्टेड टू लुक आउटसाइड शी फाउंड हर व्यू cut off by a canvas blind that covered the lower part of her window. So in some type of bus there is curtain. विंडो में कर्टेन जैसा होता है, वी हैव टू मूव इट अपसाइड. तो हियर उसको बोलते हैं ब्लाइंड. टू सन ब्लाइंड. सन ब्लाइंड मीन्स सन लाइट को रोकने के लिए जो कर्टेन होता है उसको बोलते हैं सन ब्लाइंड. तो हियर द Wali's view, okay, cut off by a canvas blind that covered the lower part of her window. So she stood up on the seat and peered over the blind. So she could not see properly through window. So she stood up and peered over the blind. फिर बाहर देखने लगी. The bus was now going along the bank of canal. There was a water canal and bus was going along the side. The road was very narrow. On the side there was the canal and beyond it palm trees, grassland, distant mountains and the blue sky. Wali was watching, this natural scene. On the other side was a deep ditch, and ditch means like digging. खाई जैसा था, was a deep ditch, and then acres and acres of green field. और हरे भरे खेत थे, green as far as the eyes could see. Every greenery was everywhere. Oh, it was all so wonderful, Wali thought. Very wonderful. Suddenly she was startled by a voice. Listen, child, said the voice. You should not stand like that. Sit down, somebody said to Wali. Okay, students, next part of this lesson we will study in next video.